Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and theories. And in this video, we are going to discuss the second part of alliteration. Introduction. Alliteration, a fundamental figure of speech, involves the repetition and play upon the same consonant sounds at the beginning of words or stressed syllables. This literary device is not only ancient but also a powerful tool in both poetry and prose. By examining its historical significance, various applications, and examples from classic and modern literature, we can appreciate the enduring charm and versatility of alliteration. Historical context of alliteration. Alliteration has deep roots in the history of English literature, predating time. In Old English poetry, it was an essential component of the metrical scheme, helping to structure verses and create rhythm. This importance persisted until the late Middle Ages. However, after the 15th century, alliterative verse became increasingly rare. Despite this decline, alliteration retained its appeal, often reserved for achieving special effects in both poetry and prose. Alliteration in Old Poetry. In Old English poetry, alliteration was more than a stylistic choice. It was a fundamental aspect of the verse's structure. Poets relied on alliteration to link lines and enhance the musical quality of their compositions. This technique was so integral that it shaped the rhythm and flow of the poems, making them more memorable and engaging for listeners and readers. Classic examples of alliteration. Classic literature is replete with examples of alliteration. S.T. Coleridge's famous description of the sacred river Elf in Kubla Khan exemplifies this device. 5 miles meandering with a mazy motion. Here, the repetition of the M sound creates a rhythmic and mesmerizing effect, drawing readers into the poem's dream-like atmosphere. Another example is Norman McCaig's poem Mutual Life, which often with the line, "A wild cat, far fire in a bracken bush." The alliteration of F and B sounds vividly captures the wildcat's vibrant presence and the surrounding environment. Similarly, R.S. Thomas's The Welsh Hill Country uses alliteration to enhance its imagery. The fluke and the foot rot and the fat maggot. The repetition of F sounds underscores the harsh and unromantic reality of rural life. Alliteration in nonsense verse. Alliteration is also common in nonsense verse, adding a playful and whimsical quality to the lines. An example can be seen in the light-hearted verse, "Be lenient with lobsters and ever kind to crabs." The repetitive I and C sounds contribute to the humorous and carefree tone, making the verse enjoyable and memorable. Alliteration in tongue twisters. Tongue twisters are another domain where alliteration shines. They are designed to challenge and entertain through repetitive sounds. A classic example is "Betty Botter bought some butter, but she said the butter's bitter." The repeated B sounds create a rhythmic challenge, making it both a fun exercise and a tool for language practice. Alliteration in jingles. In jingles, alliteration is used to create catchy and memorable phrases. For instance, "The king will ride his royal bike to Bellingen to buy the bairn a bell." The alliterative B sounds make the jingle easy to remember and enjoyable to recite, showcasing the device's ability to enhance the musicality of language. Alliteration in patter. Alliteration is also evolved in patter, especially in military or humorous contexts. An example from a drill sergeant's patter might be, "Now then, you horrible shower of heathens, have I your complete attention?" The repeated H sound emphasizes the sergeant's authority and the urgency of the command. demonstrating alliteration's effectiveness in speech. Conclusion: alliteration plays a crucial role in enhancing the rhythm, musicality, and memorability of language. Its versatility is evident across various forms of literature, from poetry and prose to nonsense verse, tongue twisters, jingles, and patter. This timeless literary device continues to captivate readers and listeners, providing that the repetition of consonant sounds is more than a stylistic choice. It's a powerful tool for creating engaging and impactful language. Through classic examples and modern applications, alliteration remains a testament to the enduring charm and versatility of literary devices. So this was the second part of the term alliteration. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.